How to book room at Kukke Subramanya Temple. For temple booking in Karnataka, download the app. Open app. See all temples accommodation in Karnataka. Click on sign in. Sign in with Gmail or phone number. Choose language English or Kannada. Book now Kukke Subramanya Temple accommodation. Check-in date. Fill all details. Check out for 2 days if you book Surface and Karapuja. Fill all details. Fill all details and upload photos. Read about the temple, tourist destinations and gallery. Click on send OTP and received message. Enter OTP code. Continue to pay now. Fill customer details. Fill billing details. Pay by any UPI app. Select UPI. Payment process completed. Will receive confirmation to given mail ID. Received thank you for booking with us mail. To check again, go to Gmail and click on Karnataka Temple's accommodation website link. Go to menu. Go to account. Go to my bookings. My bookings details. Bookings as guest details. Karnataka Temple's accommodation customer care number and mail. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.